Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today is the last of the Mr. Lee's noodles. And I hope that I'm saving the best for last. I really like the chicken one and I really like the beef one a lot. And the last one was good, the Tom Yum. The vegetable ones were good too. I mean, it's a pretty nice set. But here we have Mr. Lee's Noodles, coconut chicken laksa, fragrant chicken curry, rice noodles with coconut, cauliflower, green beans, and turmeric. Yeah! Here we go. What's up? Yeah? Hey, lady, what's going on? What you need? You want some yogi? Use your words, not the funny noises. It's all pops and buzzes from here. I'll get you some little yogurt treats. Yeah? Hold on. We're doing a show right now. Say hi to the eyeball. Tell them about how you're a princess. Are you the queen of the princesses? Tell them. I'm the queen of the princesses. Queen of the what? Queen of the house. Oh, you want me to sit put? Okay. When I'm done, maybe I'll be able to get to that. Mimi has a Hello Kitty dollhouse, which has a broken Hello Kitty chandelier that she desperately wants me to fix. So I might have to do that. But there we go. And 3 minutes on the clock. So isn't this week? It's either this week or next week. What's today, the 21st? I don't know. I think maybe it is this week. Right. You fixed it? All right. Good job, Mimi. She fixed it herself. You did it all by yourself?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Good job. Good. So I take her out in the stroller and we go all around town. I live on 68th Street. Well, they're going to do this great project called the Walkways and Waterways Initiative that I voted for. Oh, it is raining. Yeah, we got home at the right time, you know. And anyways, well, a lot of it's taking place on 68th, and it's supposed to start in spring, which is a month or so away. And they're having an open house at City Hall, so I'm gonna like extra pimp out the stroller. So, and make sure she's full of chocolate when we go in there and just like let her scream her head off the whole time. Be like, this little girl is not gonna be happy unless we have pedestrian access to go up and down our road. Even someone with a flag is fine, but we get up early, so be prepared. I'm talking to you, City of Kenmore Public Works Department. Yeah. Oh, hot. What are you doing? A kitty cat. Mimi's a big fan of kitty cats. She really likes Hello Kitty. She says she is Hello Kitty. She has a Hello Kitty unicorn with a mohawk, Hello Kitty geisha, Hello Kitty mermaid, Hello Kitty with rainbow stripes. By the way, in compliance with the new COPPA thing on YouTube, this is not a video for children. None of the videos on this channel are really geared towards children. However, my children will appear. But, yeah. There. Wasn't that easy? Everybody's worried about COPPA. I mean, it's just like all you gotta do is push one button and say, no, my content is not geared towards children. I think it's a big pain in the butt. And I really don't like how they're trying to change. If you do a lot of YouTube, you have to deal with their upload interface. Which, I mean, how else are you gonna upload things, right? Anyways, it's always worked great, I thought, and now they want to change it and make it all this and that, and every time it pops up, you know, you click go back to classic. Is there something wrong with it? Does it not work? It's like, no, it doesn't work at all, and it's horrible. I'm vision impaired. It is worthless to me. So I really, really hope they don't get rid of it, of the classic mode. I wish there was a way just to opt in so you only do classic mode. But I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, folks. That's where I see it on this thing. But anyways, this does not look broke. This looks real good. Let's have a shot of that. Have a look-see at this brow. Look at that. Coconut chicken laksa. Oh, wow. My initial thoughts, more curry. More curry. I would honestly put just like maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of my what is it, House or S&B Oriental curry powder in there, stir it up. But it's good. I'm wondering, you just saw me stir the heck out of this thing. I'm gonna see if I dump this out and if there's a ton of curry at the bottom, because that could be the case. No. But yeah, I stand by that. I think a little more curry wouldn't hurt. But that's just me. I'm a curry psychopath, you know. But look at these. Here's your chicken. Over this one over here. There's the chicken. And it just tastes like I made a chicken breast and made it into perfect little cubes. That's rad. Mmm. I love this. This is good. That's like some of the best tasting chicken instant ever. I mean, what's the calories on this thing? This one is, okay, of all of them, this one has the most. And it makes sense. It's like really, really rich and flavorful. It's got coconut milk. It's got chicken. For the whole thing, it's 274 calories. They won a, I'm guessing this is an award, the Great Taste Award. That's rad. They put a sticker on it. It's gluten-free. If you're gluten-free people, you definitely want this. It It says source of protein. Protein. For the whole thing, it's got 10.8 grams of protein. That's decent. God, it looks horrible outside. Wow. The sun came out for a little bit. I was blinded. It was too much sun. I've been complaining lately about how it's just, I can't wait for it to get sunny again. But man, that sideways winter sun. Burning my retinas. Something awful. Hold on, I'm almost done here. Meal. Yeah, it's like when that was out, my vision just was horrible. I couldn't see nothing. In fact, when I got in the grocery store, right when you get in the grocery store, they've got the little carts for people that are disabled or have trouble walking, right? That are electric, little scooter things. Anyways, I pull in, because I got to turn off the headlights on the stroller. Anyways, yeah, I guess that isn't very common. Yeah, I got to turn off the headlights and the tail lights, and I got to turn the stereo off. Yeah, and once I looked up, there was this old guy with a pork pie hat staring at me because I pulled in and I was doing all that and I was blocking him, and I was like, sorry, I didn't see you. I can't see anything. I'm legally blind. You can be mad at me as much as you want. But yeah, this is rad stuff. I would, to apologize to that fellow, I would let him try this. And it's really good. So let's let her rip! Alright, that's the end of your 6 days of Mr. Lee's Noodles. I want to thank again Mr. Lee and everybody at Mr. Lee's for making such fine noodles at low calories. And it looks like they're all, if not most of them, gluten-free. So that's pretty neat for the folks who enjoy such things. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.